Just because you need a great everyday carry knife to suit your daily cutting needs, doesn't mean you need one that will break the bank. While the top-tier choices are a few hundred or even thousands, you can still get some pretty good options under $50 each. Today's video explains to you why each of these knives can be considered the best EDC knife under $50.
Welcome to Knife Sharpener Guy. Here we put to test the newest knives and knife sharpeners in the world. We pit them against each other and produce a list for you based on quality, features, price and what users have to say about them. Whether you're looking for a fancy looking kitchen knife to give as a gift or to get yourself a heavy duty machete for yard work, here we have it all. To start off, let's look at the most budget-friendly knife in today's list.
Number 10. Offgrid Badger EDC Knife. This Offgrid Badger EDC knife is a version of a tough, compact, utility flipper. Built for hard use in all conditions, this Offgrid Badger EDC knife is a workhorse with a flat grind, wide belly, and excellent heat treatment. The knife has a razor-sharp D2 steel drop-point blade. The blade is 3.19 inch long and 3.6 mm thick. It offers a long run of cutting without the need to sharpen and high corrosion resistance. Its ability to lock the blade open via gridlock is a nice feature. The handle is made of fiber-reinforced nylon that provides a comfortable grip. This has a 3.975 inch handle length. This knife's action is smooth, the grip has a comfortable feel. Nice deep pocket profile and the weight is just right for every day to carry. Number 9. Western Active EDC Knife. This Honey Badger knife is an outstanding example of precision engineering at a low cost. Every element of this knife has been designed with ergonomics in mind, making it the most comfortable knife for everyday carry. This knife comes with a 3.19 inch 8cr13 MOV stainless blade that has a razor-sharp cutting edge. The blade rests between opposing roller bearings, making sure that every flip is flawless. It has a lightweight fiber-reinforced nylon handle. The Honey Badger range of knives is ever expanding, making sure that there is a knife for everyone. Number 8. Gerber Jukebox EDC Pocket Knife. This heavy-duty, EDC pocket knife is a capable everyday carry knife with a reversible belt clip. This knife leaves an impression with a full-edge blade that is easily deployed for the total EDC package. The Jukebox knife comes with a 2.7 inch satin-finished fine-edge blade. The fully fine-edge, modern sheep's foot blade is not only on-trend, but offers practical utility for everyday tasks. It has an extended tang finger flipper that is uniquely designed for easy deployment without sacrificing design. It has acrylic handle scales available in 2 unique colorways. It has the liner lock safety that is provided confidence during use and easy one-handed closing and a pocket clip to keep it secure when stored.
Now let's take a look at this beautiful knife that gives a great value for money.
Number 7. Columbia River CRKT Rippsnort EDC Folding Pocket Knife. Sometimes you need a thin as a razor, low-profile companion for fine-tuned tasks. So this Columbia River CRKT Rippsnort EDC Folding Pocket Knife is the best choice for you. For its small design, you can easily put it in the pocket and carry it anywhere. This knife is made from 8cr13 MOV stainless steel. It has a 2.875 inch blade length. This blade is 2.69 mm thick. This blade can be used for multiple purposes. It has a polyoxymethylene handle. The Columbia River CRKT Rippsnort EDC knife is designed by Philip Booth to be the antithesis of delicate. With a beefy cleaver blade and a solid full-size handle. This heavy-duty folder can handle a difficult cutting task. Despite the tough build, the Rippsnort remains compact and easy to carry with a streamlined design. A stout tip-down pocket clip rounds out the stellar design. Number 6. SOG Multitool EDC Knife. This SOG Baton Q2 is a sleek, multi-tool knife and EDC flashlight designed to be the perfect survival gear for a bug-out bag, backpack, laptop bag, or purse. It has 4 everyday carry tools. Be ready with this 70 lumens LED inspection pen light. This knife has a 6.3-inch aluminum body and a stainless steel blade. It is durable and scratch-resistant. This multi-tool with a pocket clip has a minimalistic design that fits the lifestyle and aesthetics of modern users. This knife comes with a sleek ballpoint pen-shaped design. The anodized aluminum handled tool weighs 3 ounces. Use the Q2 to illuminate, cut, open, and repair, and do it all with a twist of the wrist thanks to the baton's fast deployment technology and go-anywhere size. Number 5. SOG Small Fixed Blade EDC Knife. This SOG Instinct is the perfect small fixed blade knife for your EDC gear. This tactical neck knife measures 5.9 inches in total length. The 2.3-ounce slim necklace knife is a great everyday carry knife. The blade is constructed of durable satin-polished 5CR15 MOV stainless steel that keeps various work tasks as a backup knife. It has a 2.3-inch blade length. The full tang blade makes the knife more solid. It has a fiberglass G10 handle with finger grooves, and jimping enhances the ergonomics, grip, and blade control of this compact tactical knife. This comes with a hard-molded sheath and 360-degree mounting clip. It is used as a belt knife or boot knife and quickly accesses this compact knife from its swivel sheath clip for any emergency.
Have you found the knife of your dreams yet? Don't worry, the next one might be it.
Number 4. Columbia River Squid Folding Pocket EDC Knife. Small but powerful, the Columbia River Knife and Tool Squid EDC Folding Knife makes an excellent addition to your EDC gear. The Squid is a compact folding design from Lucas Burnley that is built to stay with you at all times and handle any task. The compact 2.14-inch blade is made from 8CR13 MOV stainless steel with a black washed finish and hollow ground spear point shape. This blade is 2.79 mm thick. It's a wonderful design that fills the hand, maximizes blade length as much as possible, and provides you with stout cutting power in a minuscule package. The frame lock handle is made from 2CR13 stainless steel with a blackwash finish. This Lucas Burnley designed everyday carry knife is compact in stature, but packs some heat in the features department. It comes with a frame lock for safety and friction grooves on the drop point blade for a secure grip. Number 3. Ontario Folding EDC Knife. Situated in New York State's scenic southern tier, Ontario Knife is one of the most comprehensive, wide-ranging product lines in the cutlery industry today. While being a worldwide supplier, the Ontario Knife Company is also a major supplier to the U.S. government and its military. Ontario has built its reputation on a heritage of uncompromising craftsmanship, quality materials and components, and a steadfast commitment to its workforce. This 8.5-inch knife is made from AUS 8 stainless steel. It has a 3.5-inch plain edge blade and 0.12-inch blade thickness. The blade is satin finish and flat ground. This knife has a liner lock locking mechanism and a thumb stud for easy one-handed opening. It has ergonomic nylon 6 handles, which are 0.52-inch thick. The ergonomic nylon handles and spine jimping create a great design with great control. This knife is complete with a 4-way position pocket clip and lanyard hole for a choice of carrying options.
Before we introduce you to the best of the bunch, come take a look at the runner-up.
Number 2. Columbia River EDC Folding Pocket Knife. This is a Columbia River EDC folding pocket knife that's dressed for success. At first glance, it could be mistaken for a pen tucked into a shirt pocket. And that's exactly the way the folding knife was designed. With a supremely low profile and no corners cut on usability and ergonomics, it embodies the working spirit of everyday carry. This knife comes with a satin-finished 8CR13 MOV stainless steel blade. It has a 3.107-inch long blade and 2.18 mm blade thickness. Its stainless steel liner lock keeps it securely in place between the sleek. The handle is made of glass-reinforced nylon material. For this glass-reinforced nylon material, you can easily grab it and cut anything easily. This will keep your hands safe and will not slip when you cut anything.
At last, we're about to get to the winning knife that checks all the boxes that a knife of this category should.
Number 1. Kershaw Cryo Pocket EDC Knife. This Kershaw Cryo Pocket EDC knife is the result of a collaboration between Hinderer and the designers of Kershaw. Skillfully crafted and beautifully designed, the Cryo is built of pure stainless steel coated in titanium carbonitride for a no-fuss, no-frills, sleek knife. A sturdy knife that is aesthetically pleasing and feels great in the hand. This knife is constructed of 8CR13 MOV steel. It is more durable and unbelievable sharpens. It has a 2.75-inch long blade and 0.12-inch blade thickness. The blade is accessible with the built-in flipper or the thumb stud. The Cryo offers a tough frame lock and lock bar stabilizer for secure blade lockup, speed-safe assisted opening for fast and easy one-handed opening, and a user adjustable. It has a 3.80-inch stainless steel handle. It comes with a Hinderer lock bar stabilizer. It has a 4-position pocket clip that allows tip-up or tip-down carry on both the right and left sides, providing users with the most versatility. This knife is more durable and unbelievable sharpens. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you did, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos on the best